Hello and welcome to my channel, How To with Paul Henderson. Today's episode is going to be on my REVIVER digital license plate. I'll be showing you how to renew your vehicle's registration through the REVIVER app. So let's get started. First, I'm going to show you how to pay for your registration through the REVIVER app. So what you're going to do is you're going to turn on your phone. You are going to go to where your apps are. You're going to look for the REVIVER app and you're going to click on that. The next page to pop up is the turn off battery optimization. Go ahead and click on that blue box. And here is the home page of your REVIVER app. And as you can see in the center, my license plate is August 31st, 2023. And in that orange box, it says that my registration is due on August 31st. So of course yours will be different. So you go ahead and click on that vehicle registration renewal box. And the next page to pop up on the REVIVER app is going to be your outstanding fees for the DMV. Mine is currently $542. Now what you can do is you can go directly to continue to payment and click on that. But if you want, you can view to where all your fees are going that you pay to the DMV. So if you want, you go ahead and click on that registration fee box. And these are the fees that I'm currently paying right now. So my total DMV fees that are due is $542. Current registration is $65. Current Valley air quality is $6. Current CHP is $30. Alternate fuel tech regulation is $3. I don't know what that is. Current weight fee is $80. If you scroll up a little bit, fingerprint ID current is $2. Current vehicle license plate fee is $173. Auto theft deterrent auto theft DUI deterrent is $2. Current county safe fee is $1. Transportation improvement is $118. That's a little bit excessive, but oh well. Got to pay to drive on the freeways, I guess. Current smog abatement $2, and California 1960s legacy personal plate is $40. Scroll up a little bit more and you'll have smog high polluter repeater $4. Original smog abatement is $6. Alternate fuel tech smog is $8. Current abandoned vehicle is $1. So I guess I got to pay for when a vehicle is abandoned. $1 is not too bad. Current South Coast Air Basin, I guess, maybe basin quality, whatever that means, is $1. And once again, my address is right there. And there is another page. Smog high, wait, I already did that one. Sorry about that. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and click on continue to payment. And here is the page that has my current payment method on. This was the same payment method that I had used when I had bought the REVIVER plates. My current phone number. You're going to go ahead and click on that little white box saying I have read and agreed to the terms and condition. Click on that blue box where it says pay $542 and renew. And that's it. And then you tap close. Now if you notice, when I first started, at the top left corner of the screenshot it said 3:39 p.m. When I got done going through everything, it was 3:42. And then I had received the authorization that, wait, is it authorization or is it I don't know what the word is. But I had received notice that my plate is ready to update, and it's 3:46 p.m. And as you can see by what my plate looks like in the center of that screenshot, it says August 2024. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and tap that little bell icon just to re-verify everything. And once you click that bell icon, I have two messages that came in at 3:44 p.m. Actually 3:42 p.m. So it says registration information for the vehicle. My 2019 Chevy Silverado 1500 has been updated and the image is ready to display. The next one says RPlate update. A new update is available for your RPlate, and they are both sent at 3:42 p.m. That was way too easy to do, and it was a lot quicker than I had thought. But now if you go back to the home page, you can also, if you want to make sure that everything is perfect, you go back to the home page, scroll up just a tad, and you're going to tap on that documents little tab right there. The next page, you'll click on vehicle registration. Right here, you can see that the registration has appeared. Now, I tried to download it by hitting that download button in the upper right hand corner, and I couldn't get to do it. So what I had done, I had tapped on that registration paper in the center of this screenshot, and it blew it up. So I ended up scrolling up just a little bit, did a screenshot, and then I had printed out that screenshot so I can have a copy of that registration renewal paper in my glove box. After you pay for your vehicle registration on the REVIVER app, you should receive 3 emails in your personal email account that you associated with the REVIVER app and the REVIVER.com account. The first one is going to be the DMV registration renewal summary. The second one will be your receipt from REVIVER, and the third will be the vehicle registration has been updated. So now that all that is done, let's go to the back of the vehicle and I'll show you how to update the plate. So here is my REVIVER digital license plate. As you can see, it says August 2023. I need to update it to August 2024. This is a really simple step. All you have to do, tap this home Bluetooth LTE button twice. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now, and it should update in about a minute and a half. 1, 2. Data download in progress, and it is 9:59 a.m. Now what I will do is I will put a link to the original video of how I bought the plate, registered everything, got everything updated, and then installed and downloaded and all that crap. So be sure to check that out. And it's a little lengthy, but it walks you through step by step on the installation process. So it should be ready in about, I don't know, 30 seconds maybe. You can also change the color of the background from white with black letters, or you can have black with white letters. You can change the font. They have hundreds of banners that you can put at the bottom of the plate. I'm still going to keep the Beam Me Up Scotty one because I kind of like it. And there we go. August 2024. Way too easy. Now, one thing I read a while ago is that you're still supposed to, I believe you're still supposed to receive the plastic stickers or vinyl stickers, whatever they're called, and the paper vehicle registration. I'm not too sure. If you do get that in the mail, go ahead and put that registration paper in your glove box along with the one that you printed up from REVIVER. And they do recommend keeping the metal plate inside the vehicle just in case something happens as this one. And if you do get those vinyl stickers in the mail, be sure to put those stickers on the metal plate that you keep inside the vehicle, just to be on the safe side, because you don't want any problems. Well, that's it. So if you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon, and you'll get notifications as new videos come out. If you want to make a small donation to my channel, tap the super thanks button underneath this video. Anything I get goes right back into my channel. Have a great day, and may you have fun with the REVIVER digital license plate. Like I said, you can change the banners whenever you want. Well, that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next one. Have a great day. Goodbye. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, there are some bloopers, so stay for those right now. There's only a few, not too many. The first scene took about 12 takes. The second one took about 5. This one, before I pushed the Bluetooth LTE home button, took about 6, I think. So I'm gonna have a few bloopers. So Hope you enjoy those. Hello and welcome to my channel, How To with Paul Henderson. Today's episode, I will be doing I forgot already. I will be doing test 1, test 2, test 3. Hello and welcome to my channel, How To with Paul Henderson. Today's episode is going to be on my REVIVER digital plate. I will be renewing my registration through, bitch. Perfect. Fucking bitches. I'm going to get this in a few takes on each scene. Well, at least I better anyway. Took about 12 takes for the first scene. I think the second one took about 5. This one, before I actually pushed the button, took about, I think 4. And I got really out of breath on the first one. And I might put one of those scenes in here. I don't know. Ever since I had COVID, I haven't been the same. And especially after I had those 2 little mini strokes and I think multiple ones after it, it's just, it's really tough. But getting kind of, after all this talking, I'm getting kind of lightheaded already as it is. I'll be back in a second. All right.